HP Chromebook 14 keyboard problems are common, including sticky keys, unresponsive buttons, or damage. DIY repair, especially replacing keys, is a cost-effective solution. HP now offers subsidized replacement parts, reducing costs by 20 to 30%. This video guides you through the process. HP Chromebook 14 keyboards use scissor switch mechanisms for letter and arrow keys. These switches provide quick response and require less force to press. The function keys incorporate a membrane layer, which offers durability and resistance to spills, making them less prone to mechanical failure. You'll need a plastic pry tool to safely open the laptop case without damaging components. Phillips screwdrivers in sizes 0 and 00 are essential for removing the screws that hold the keyboard in place. Tweezers help with precise handling of small parts during the repair process. Isopropyl alcohol is used for cleaning the keyboard area and removing any residue. Replacement keyboard kits are available for $20 to $50 from HP or reliable third-party sellers. Power off and unplug your Chromebook. Remove the back cover screws, 10 to 12 typically. Carefully pry open the case, starting from a corner, and disconnect the battery to prevent electrical shorts. Now we'll cover Step 2, removing individual keys from the HP Chromebook 14 keyboard. This involves using a flat tool to carefully lift the retainer clips that hold each key in place. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flat tool like a plastic pry tool or keycap puller, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. A keycap puller, like this one with high-quality steel wires, can also work well for removing keys without damaging them. To remove a key, insert the flat tool under the edge of the key and gently pry up to release the retainer clips. Work slowly and avoid applying too much force to prevent breaking the clips. Once the key is removed, you'll see the scissor mechanism and the switch beneath. Handle these parts carefully to avoid damage. You can also remove keys by hand if they're loose, but using a tool is safer for most keys. After removing the key, clean the area beneath with isopropyl alcohol wipes to remove any dirt or residue. This ensures proper contact when reinstalling the new key. Remember to work patiently and handle all parts gently to avoid damage during individual key removal. For full keyboard replacement, start by locating the keyboard cable that connects to the motherboard. This cable is usually a flat ribbon cable with a connector. Next, unscrew the keyboard cable from its connector on the motherboard. Use a small screwdriver to carefully remove the screw securing the cable. Now, carefully lift the entire keyboard assembly out of the Chromebook. Pay attention to how the assembly is positioned and oriented before removing it, as this will help during reassembly. Begin by carefully aligning the new keyboard or individual key. Ensure it fits flush against the frame without any gaps or tilting. Next, reconnect the keyboard cable securely to the motherboard. Make sure the connector is fully seated and locked in place to avoid loose connections. Finally, carefully reassemble the Chromebook. Snap the back cover back into place, ensuring all clips engage. Then reinsert and tighten all screws in the correct order. Boot up your Chromebook to begin testing the repaired keyboard. Use a keyboard testing app available online or built into Chrome OS to verify that all keys are functioning correctly. If keys are still unresponsive, double-check the cable connection and key placement to ensure everything is secure. Work in a well-lit, static-free area to avoid damage from static electricity and ensure visibility for precise work. The right to repair movement is influencing manufacturers like HP to make devices more repairable. By 2025, 70% of Chromebook repairs are DIY, promoting sustainability. Repairing rather than replacing laptops reduces e-waste by an estimated 40% annually. The EPA reports that DIY repairs save 1.5 million tons of e-waste globally each year. If unsure about any step, consult HP support or a certified technician to avoid further damage. Always back up all data before starting repair work. And remember, be sure not to forget screws. This is a very common mistake that can complicate reassembly.